We just got done watching a movie and everything in our house went out.
The power went out Friday night at the perfect time for Adrian Clark and his wife.
So at least we got to finish that before everything went plunk.
No cliffhangers for them, and they knew they weren't alone.
So I got up and looked out the front window and noticed not only was the power out for our house, but it was out all up and down the street.
That included the traffic lights at the intersection of Colorado Boulevard and 6th Avenue.
This intersection here of 6th and Colorado is horrible anyway. I can't even imagine. I really don't even want to go out there. Like, it's bad.
But before the honking and the chaos of the intersection in the morning, Clark heard a different noise right after the power went out at night.
I heard a loud crunching sound, which I can only assume was the tree in our front yard landing on our car.
It looked bad.
Even with the size of the branch that fell, which was hundreds of pounds, and took 3 of us to move today.
Yeah.
One house down from them, Jackie Barnabas saw Clark and his wife struggling.
You can see where it dented it on the side there above their mirror, but that big branch that you see there fell down, onto the car, because the snow was so wet and heavy.
After a cold night, Xcel Colorado notified them it could be until 10 p.m. Saturday night until their power could be back on.
And then I'll probably come back home and take stuff and go to my mom's house. I know she has power, so I'm gonna go there and hang out with her.
We have some friends in the neighborhood, so we'll probably try to do that and pull out all the blankets, and we're just gonna take it as it comes, I guess.
Bundled up.
Let's see, well, 1, 2, 3, it's only 4. It's not that bad.
In 4 layers, Adrian went back inside ready to brave the cold ahead, but came back out a few minutes later.
The lights just came on. We'll see how long it lasts. I'll take it for now.
No cliffhangers here.
You guys have a good one.